my friends, welcome yet again to my channel. Thank you so much for your love, support, appreciation and motivation. All the new viewers who have just joined my channel, a warm welcome to you all. Do not forget to like, subscribe my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon as to whenever I'll upload a new video, you will be notified about it. Alright friends, month of February, month of love, celebration, reaching out to your loved ones, your parents, siblings, colleagues, that's someone special. A warm welcome to February. And let's move on with the reading. This month is all about reaching out. This month is all about spreading your love. This month is all about knowing who all those who are special to you, special to your heart. But before we reach out to someone, it is very, very important to know yourself. It is very much important and an essential part of your life to love yourself. If you do not love yourself, if you do not motivate yourself, you do not appreciate yourself, there are very, very high chances that you may not be able to portray your real feelings to the outside world. You need to embrace your qualities. You need to be kinder to yourself. You need to appreciate the gifts that are being bestowed upon you by the Almighty. And only then will you be able to understand your true nature and the nature or the attributes that you are looking for in the other person, especially that someone special. So this, friends, moving on, this reading is dedicated to self-love. And this is not a time specific reading, this is a sign specific reading, and this reading is dedicated to my Librans. Hello all the Librans out there, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Please do not get confused with Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs. Please follow the reading whichever the zodiac sign resonates with you, whichever the zodiac sign you are inclined to. And other zodiac signs, this reading may or may not resonate with you, but you can definitely watch it for your Libra friends out there as you can understand them better. Libras out there, you can please watch the video, follow the reading, take part in the insights, the guidance that are being offered in this, and if the reading resonates with you, please do write in the comment section below. I'll be happy to reach out to you. Any more further readings on certain topics you would like me to do write in the comment section below. I'll take into consideration and see you in some of the videos coming up. Alright, Librans, the most important attribute that has been bestowed upon on you is you have a very, very powerful attitude. You have the power, you have the stubbornness, the determination that is the birthright of yours. The Lord, the universe has given you this power. You have the authoritating quality that you very well show to people, that you very well show around you, and you do it in a very strong and affirmative way. This is not in a negative format. People like you being in the leader's role. You lead the way beautifully. So embrace this quality of yours. Give a good hug to yourself. Give a pat on your shoulder. This quality of yours is going to take you places. And this is the thing you should definitely love about yourself. This is going to take you to higher places. And this is what is required today, you to be the path shower, to show people where they need to move on in life. Then the things that you need to be patient is you need to really appreciate the yin energy in and around you. You are a little more confused or a little agitated over the yin energy around you. You really need to understand that, because yin energy is an essential part of our life. You are a strong motivator, you have that strong capability, but the yin energy is also essential part of our life. You need to embrace this quality of yours. You need to understand that in order to be perfect, you need to learn to complement the yang energy and the yin energy, and this you need to learn, and you need to be patient with yourself as far as all the feminine energy or yin energy in and around you is concerned. This you really need to understand and embrace it. then you need to be a little more patient with yourself in taking defeats or taking setbacks. Do not think of yourself that, oh my god, everything is finished. No, my friend, it is not the case, it is not the scenario. You have the ability, you have the power. This is your birthright to attain prosperous things in life. So if sometimes some minor setbacks happen, you please do not get disheartened with this. Do not feel so sad and do not step back in your progress. Take it as a lesson, take it as a moral of the life, and move forward with much more zeal, much more enthusiasm. This will help you catapult even more further, and whatever goals you have set, you will reach even more farther than the goals. You will attain prosperous places, you will reach your goals, you will have the applauses, you will have the recognition. So do not set yourself back with minor setbacks. Learn from it, move forward. The attributes that you're attracted in other people or your close people or the selection of friends you have, the most important quality that you are attracted to is the thought process. You like a strong mind, you like a strong thought process of people, you like those people who have a positive course of action. You really appreciate this quality in other people who have a proper agenda as to which places they want to reach, as to what are their goals. You like strong people as you are, you like strong minded people, you like the people with same wavelength as yours. And this quality of a Libra person, all other zodiac signs, if you've seen this reading, if you have a Libra partner, please try to incorporate this quality in yourself, as the Libra is very much attracted to this quality. And if you are a Libra who's watching this reading, this is the quality you should look forward in your chosen friends, in your chosen someone special. As to this is the quality that is going to keep you going stronger and stronger, and will make the bond even more stronger in the long run. So my Librans, here's hoping lots of power, lots of understanding, lots of concrete friendship and companionship in your near future. Understand yourself, understand your qualities, understand the attributes that you need to require in your someone special or your close friends out there, and embrace this beautiful life ahead. Wishing you lots of success. Thank you. God bless.